This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Welcome to the beautiful waterfront community of Waters Ridge. Perfect end unit. You will find an open floor plan downstairs with a spacious kitchen that opens to the family room. Updated appliances and flooring. Well maintained and move-in ready. The Waters Ridge community offers a pool, clubhouse, boat ramp and access to Skiffe's Creek on the James River. Conveniently located near Interstate 64, Fort Eustis and Williamsburg. For more information, review the details below.